obviously not, because I just missed that one.
Go again.
He's talking about possibly filing a motion to suppress as it relates to a video that he has not seen. I believe that the court was speaking of, once he reviews that videotape, him making a determination as to whether or not he continues to object to its release as a public record, and then would seek a protective order within 10 days.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
That's fine.
I'm not talking about a motion to suppress.
Correct.
Okay.
I'm referring to the motion to stay, and then at that point, we could have our hearing. If I'm getting 10 days.
The stay will be either lifted, or, if you convince me otherwise, the stay could be indefinite, I suppose, which then would kick it into a different courtroom, perhaps. But that's fine. 15 days is probably a reasonable time, so I'll split the difference with you on that. Let's go ahead. How soon can you get over there and look at the video?
I can get over there this week sometime.
Well, can we refine that a little bit?
Wednesday.
Actually,
Between now and the end of business Wednesday?
Actually, if they want to get me a copy, that's fine. I can do that.
All right, that's fine.
Or I'll either get a copy, or I'll go visit before Ms. Strain verdict by Wednesday.
All right, and then 15 days after that. And as for the first motion for protective order, I'll take that under advisement. I'll get an order out on that fairly quickly. Again, we're talking about the photo bucket images. Anything else on that before we conclude?
Actually, there's something Ms. Strain verdict.
Go ahead.
Judge, I had made an inquiry of the judicial assistant. Not really noticed for a status hearing today, but I thought perhaps we could address the issue of a trial date. My suggestion, and I talked to Mr. Baez briefly about this, was mid-September, reserving, if the court has the ability to do this with your civil schedule, those days after Labor Day for any last-minute hearings, and then proceeding to jury selection. I believe that would be September 14th. I don't know if the court can accommodate that or not, but I thought at least we could.
This would be tentative, but I don't mind doing that. Do you want to?
I'm fine with the time frame, if we can, but I would prefer the October calendar.
I don't know that it makes 1 month makes a difference, but I figured 6 months will give us time to conduct any depositions and motions.
Are you looking for me to go ahead and set a pre-trial and trial now?
Yes, I believe that's what.
I would prefer to have a date to work toward, so we're not just languishing, waiting for things to
I don't have
happen.
any problem with that. The September dates that you're talking about are probably fine, and if more things may come up, more work need to be done.
Can we approach on something?
Yeah.
Really briefly.
That's fine. Come on. Okay, thank you. Mr. George, anything for you, sir?
No, sir. I'll try to find one to go to. Thanks for asking.
I don't really have any problem with the October docket. My civil division, I just need to confirm that I can get, if possible, a senior judge to take my cases for about that time period. I suppose more time is better. So I think what we would be talking about is somewhere around October 12th, give or take. And we can just set aside retrial a couple of weeks before that, and I can just probably arbitrarily give you, should I give you one now, or should I have my GIA send you a date? Does the pre-trial date really matter? We have a trial date that we're shooting for?
No, I'm sure we'll have hearings in the interim.
All right, so we're going to talk about then the date generally of October 12th. I think beginning this, again, that's a tentative date. We'll shoot for that and do our level best to make that happen. Any other housekeeping matters that we need to talk about?